everyone, welcome back to another video with Ars Koso. If you and I have not met yet, my name is Chen and I am a cognitive behavior therapy nutritionist from Toronto, Canada. So in our previous Ars Koso videos, we've talked extensively about probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, all of which are found in Ars Koso, which is this traditional Japanese drink that's made from fermenting over 100 different plants for over 1 year. Today, we're going to build on that information and we're going to talk about whether or not probiotics are recommended if you are on antibiotics. And if you don't know what those are, well, antibiotics are medicines that help to stop an infection that is caused by bacteria. They do so by killing the bacteria or by preventing them from reproducing in the host. Antibiotics are considered one of the best discoveries in modern medicine to date. It can be used to treat really a broad range of infections, things like common conditions you've probably heard of, strep throat, acne, urinary tract infections, and so much more. And there are many parts in our bodies that actually hold live bacteria communities that are called microbiotas naturally. These little living organisms typically live symbiotically in our bodies to help us carry out very vital functions. And the human gut is a great example of this. It's the largest reservoir of microbiota in humans. The antibiotics so sometimes can not only kill the bacteria that cause infection, but it can also impact our innate microbiota that reside in our gut, for example, and it can change our gut microbiome. So studies done in recent years have shown that treatments using an antibiotic called ciprofloxacin impacted the abundance of bacteria in fecal samples. This meant that there was decreased diversity in the gut microbiota and the proportions of different bacteria were thrown off. Though it is shown that some individuals were able to recover after this course of treatment, other people actually did not recover even after 5 months. In children specifically, early life use of antibiotics increased the risk of developing asthma, proving that antibiotic exposure in life is a risk factor for asthma later on. So the changes in the bacterial community are accompanied by changes in metabolites that influence the host's immune and metabolic functions. There are more and more studies that are coming out now kind of showing the observation of the impact of short-term or low-dose antibiotic treatments on the gut microbiome, as well as the long-term effects it can have on health, especially when it comes to young children and pregnant women. The theory behind how probiotics can restore the gut microbiome after antibiotic treatment isn't yet to be tested. There are studies indicating that probiotics may have a potential role in both prevention and reducing relapses of IBDs, so inflammatory bowel diseases. And the most comprehensive meta-analysis data that examined a total of 82 randomized controlled trials. Most of these trials used lactobacillus-based interventions alone or in combination with other classes of bacteria. And this research seems to indicate to us that the use of probiotics is associated with a reduction in antibiotic-associated diarrhea. And another study also indicated that probiotic use may prevent C. difficile infection, which is this particular bacteria, in patients who are currently on antibiotics. As more and more studies are being conducted, we can slowly really unravel the true health benefits of probiotics and what it can do for our health. In the meantime, this Japanese Koso drink is a century-old traditional fermented drink that's made from vegetables, fruits, and plants. And after fermenting all of that for 1 year, there are so many good bacteria in Ars Koso, such as Lactobacillus brevis, Lactobacillus plantarum, Lactobacillus casei, Lactobacillus lactis, and galacto-oligosaccharides and dietary fibers are also included as prebiotics to feed the bacteria in your gut. Things like dandelion greens, asparagus, apples, burdock, barley, seaweeds, all of these can act as prebiotic ingredients to nourish the probiotics that are supporting your gut health right now. And if you want to learn more about that, then you definitely need to visit the Ars Koso website. You'll also find information on how Ars Koso can strengthen your gut health and immune system. Thank you so much for sitting through this video with me. I hope you learned a thing or two about your gut biome, about your body, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!